Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Finding your junk mail folder in Outlook is easy, whether you are using the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app. In the Outlook desktop application, look at the left sidebar where all your folders are listed. You will see your inbox, sent items, and drafts. Usually, the junk email folder is located right below the deleted items folder. If you do not see it immediately, look for a small arrow next to your email address or the Word folders and click it to expand the list. On Outlook.com or the web version, the process is very similar. Sign into your account and check the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. The junk email folder is typically nested under the Favorites section or the main folders list. If it is hidden, click on the word More to reveal all available folders. For those using the Outlook mobile app on an iPhone or Android, tap your profile icon or the home button in the top left corner. This opens a menu showing all your mail accounts and folders. Scroll down until you see junk. If you still cannot find it, use the search bar at the top of your folder list and type the word junk. Sometimes folders get moved or renamed by accident, but the search tool will always locate them. Remember that Outlook automatically clears this folder every 30 days, so check it regularly to ensure important messages did not end up there by mistake. Finding this folder helps you manage spam and keep your inbox clean and organized every day.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.